Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase the quality of your old image and increase the quality. And this is the image before increasing the quality, and this one is the image after increasing the quality. Now I'm just going to close these guys. For approaching this, we're going to use the Canva websites. If you're using the Canva application, the process is going to be completely the same, no difference. First of all, you need to upload your image into the Canva. And for uploading your image, it's our low quality image. As you can see, it's the before. For uploading this, just simply drag it and drop it into the Canva website like this, as simple as that. No difference if you're using Windows or Mac or whatsoever. I've just uploaded my image and I can find it over here at the image parts before. I'm going to click on that and I need to create a new design, use in a design. The Canva is going to create a design for me with this image with the same size. From the left menu, I need to click at the apps over here. And from here, I'm going to choose image upscaler. If you can't find this, simply search for image upscaler from the menu up here. And the logo have to be look like this. I'm going to click here. And if the image is not here, just simply click at the image over here. If you're using your mobile phone, just simply click at the image which is at the up. Now I'm going to simply ask it to increase it, scale it up 4 times. And I'm going to click upscale now. It can take a few seconds. It can take about 10 to 20 seconds. Depends on the quality of your image, and it's done for me. I'm just asking it to replace. Just take a look at the colors over here. Now, as you can see, the noise is completely deleted and the quality of image is increased. For downloading the new image, we just need to simply click at share. If you're on your device, at the Canva application on your Android or on your iOS device, there is an option like download out there. Directly you can download it on your device. Now I'm going to click at download and simply I can increase the size, but I'm going to keep it as it is and simply download here. Thank you for watching. And it's my increased quality image in compared to the previous one. As you can see, the quality is increased and it's completely noticeable. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy.